Good afternoon. I'm here to show you the core shaker that was created from the original design of Soup 47 on the Cast Bullets forum. And basically what you're seeing here is three parts. You've got the bottom tray, you've got the top tray, and then you have a strap that holds the two together if necessary. The strap isn't absolutely mandatory, but it could be helpful. The first thing we want to do is align these two pieces. And the way that I found that it's easiest to do that is to drop pieces of jacket into the corners. So we got one there, one there. Apologize, I'm a little klutzy here today. So one there and one there. That's basically just making sure the top and the bottom pieces are lined up. Make sure they're set good. And then we're going to take the strap and we're going to put it on here. It's an interference fit. It's also made out of ABS plastic, so a little care is important. Basically, you just want to slide it on here enough so that things don't come apart. As you can see, it's not on there perfectly square, but it's fine, so nothing's going to come apart at this point in case I lose my grip on the bottom. So next step is simply pour a bunch of jackets in. What I found is it's better to have too many than too few. And basically cover the gap there, because as you can see, if you don't cover that gap, they're going to fall out. And the reason that you want more than less is you want to have enough to go around so that you're not searching for a hole and trying to find that one that's left and make it fall into the correct hole. So it looks like I goofed and I had one actually that still had a core in it, but we can live with that. And basically at this point we're going to dump the extras out. So I'm going to grab a container. I borrowed this from my wife, I'm sure she won't mind. And you're going to notice here that I can pretty much just tilt it sideways and stuff's not going to fall out. If it does, and in this case I had two that came out of their spots, I can just drop two more back in there. One for that hole, one for that hole. And then if you look in here, remember I goofed and had a core already in that jacket, but there's 1, 2, 3 that I see that fell in upside down. And that's just going to happen occasionally. So we've got that, and then the next step is to drop in the cores. And again, more is better. We want to give it more. Just spread them out all over the surface there. Cover the gap over here with your hand. Shake them around a little bit side to side. And it looks to me like I've got all but possibly one. Give it a second, there we go. And it looks like we're good. So again, we're going to pour these out. I'm going to put those into a different container since I don't really care for sorting all those. Again, we can tilt it, give it a little nudge, and there's where we're at. Get those out of view here. There's no magic, no hocus pocus going on. I just want you to see how this works. Get the strap out of the way, set it down, lift that off. You've got a couple to fix, so that fell in upside down. And again, it was one that had a core in it, so that explains probably why it fell in upside down. See if this one's the same way. Nope. So we're going to put a core in that one, and we're going to put a core in that one. I don't know about you, but even though I don't have my point forming die yet, I can imagine that I would be horribly frustrated by taking a jacket, taking a core, putting them together, putting them in the press. And honestly, this just makes life simple. So the design, lots of credit goes to Soup 47 from the Cast Bullets forum. And then helping me with 3D printing, Lon, who is, I think El Cecil is his name on the Cast Bullets forum. Tons of help with helping me learn how to quickly use my new 3D printer. Thanks for watching.